You have a rough idle and a check engine light. The code points directly to your mass airflow sensor. Should you clean it or replace it? Cleaning is cheap and takes 10 minutes. It is always the smartest first step. This sensor uses a tiny heated wire to measure incoming air. Dust and oil bake onto this wire over time. This bad layer throws off your engine computer. To fix this, you need a special mass airflow sensor cleaner. Never use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. Those strong chemicals will ruin the sensitive electronics inside. Simply take the sensor out and spray the delicate wire. Let it air dry completely before you reinstall it. For many drivers, this cheap trick works perfectly. It often cures hesitation and poor gas mileage. But cleaning cannot fix a broken part. If the check engine light comes right back, the internal circuit is dead. You should also check for physical damage. Look closely at the tiny hot wire inside the sensor. If the wire is missing or broken, cleaning is useless. You will have to buy a completely new unit. When buying a replacement, skip the cheap aftermarket options online. Bargain sensors are known to fail quickly. Always spend the extra money on a genuine factory part. Clean it first to save money, but replace it if the code returns.